According to this diary of Rohit, I will be guided to the next clue by this helmet itself. You will scroll. Symbols. A sacred bead. That means to get hold on the alien technology, I need to have the sacred bead.
Match found. Bhutan, 500 BC.
Bhutan? Oh, Bhutan. We are going to Bhutan to get that sacred bead. But how? Oh, of course. And who else will take us around Bhutan? My good old friend. It's been a long time that we have met, Dojo.
Hello. Dojo the Terrible on the line here. Speaking. Tell me. Speak out.
Hello, Dojo boss. That shipment has already crossed the borders.
Wow. That's great. Very good. That's indeed a happy news. Terrific. Superb. Now carefully take the stuff to the godown with great caution and immediately report back to me out here right away.
Yes, Dojo boss.
Reporting right away, Dojo boss.
What? You think I was joking?
Dojo boss, up there. My dear Dojo the Terrible. Is this the way to welcome an old friend of yours?
You? Dojo can never be defeated.
I just love this quality. This very quality of yours. You act so bravely even during the worst of times, Dojo dear. I've come here with a very good news for you, my friend. Both of us are going to work together once again. Dr. Para and Dr. Para's crime partner, Dojo.
No way, Para. I don't work for people with crazy ideas.
This time, my mission is to find out a hidden treasure in Bhutan. I know what exactly Dojo the Terrible is now thinking. Isn't he thinking, what interest could a scientist like Dr. Para have in a treasure? I don't want to have that treasure. I am looking for that sacred bead, which is buried somewhere in Bhutan. Just make me reach till that sacred bead, and the rest of the treasure is yours. Do we have a deal? Yeah.
I'm prepared to go on that mission.
Did you see that now? Wasn't that easy to decide, huh?
Guys, I'm going back to my home in China tomorrow. I'll miss you all a lot during the holidays.
And I'm going to Bhutan. My uncle has a monastery over there.
And I'm also going along with Lobsang. Do you know, Krishna? Bhutan's official name is the Kingdom of Bhutan. It's called the Land of Thundering Dragon. There's even an interesting story behind that.
There begins Swami's
Across the
useful
Himalayas,
little
they get a
Krishna.
lot of thunderstorms. That is why it has got this name. Remember that scroll in the museum? The guide had told us that it's there in some cave at Bhutan. A lot of symbols are there in that cave, which, if arranged in a proper order, depict an age-old folk tale. And my mission is to find that cave.
Hey, this seems to be a good idea. Hey, Krishna, what will you do in the holidays?
Well, nothing much. I'll remain here in Himachal with my Dadima.
Why don't you come along with us, Krishna?
Bhutan? Dadi doesn't even allow me to go till the market alone. She would never agree to this.
Don't you worry. We'll convince Dadima. Leave it to us.
You'll never get a better convincer than me. I can convince anyone at one go. Once it so happens...
Swami, enough of it.
Well, it's not an easy job. But if you want to try your luck, please go ahead.
I can convince Dadi in the snap of a finger, you know.
No way. Absolutely not. I can't allow Krishna to go anywhere. And Bhutan is such a faraway place.
We are all going to stay in my uncle's monastery over there.
Yes, Dadima. Bhutan is such a beautiful place. Clean atmosphere, open places to play around. That's a perfect holiday location for a growing child, you see. Bhutan's history is also extremely interesting. Let me tell you a little about it.
No, Swami, please.
This evening,
Yes, Dadima. What would I do staying all alone here?
I see. So this all-out attack on Dadima has been planned by all of you jointly.
once again, have a look at the
Wow,
the daring
we are on TV, guys.
an exclusive coverage
There,
by
have a
our
look.
channel.
When did you... what I mean to say is, when did all this happen?
Yesterday, Dadima, Krishna was there with us.
I request you to please allow the police to do its job. We are going to catch this masked imposter very soon. Most likely in 24 hours.
Strange. Why are they going after Kid Krish?
Have you never read any superhero comics, Lobsang? Often the hero is considered to be the villain in those. Because when someone is wearing a mask, who knows whether he is good or bad?
We have just received few important leads about his true identity.
Looks like you can't come along with us to Bhutan this time.
Even my plan didn't work on Dadima this time.
Well, the idea of traveling to Bhutan is not that bad.
Yay! I knew it all the way. My great plan can never fail me.
Thank you, Dadima.
It's better if you stay away from this place for some time, Krishna.
Hey, look, Swami, nature beckons. Come on, Lobsang, fun time summons. Passing through the hills and mountains, breezing through the sprinkling fountains. And then, what else? Khaki, khaki, share with us and khaki, khaki. Khaki, khaki, fill our hearts and khaki, khaki. Khaki, khaki, share with us and khaki, khaki. Khaki, khaki, fill our hearts and khaki, khaki. lamb with woolly cover. It's all fluffy, snow all over, like a lamb with woolly cover. Throwing snowballs at each other, let's all enjoy this cool weather.
And then?
What else?
Chill around the snow with full on khaki khaki. Dance along with friends in style in khaki khaki. Khaki khaki, share with dolls on khaki khaki. Khaki khaki, fill our hearts with khaki khaki.
Then have hummed along. Even the trees would have swayed merrily, swinging to the tune happily.
And then?
What else?
Continue with our journey, khaki khaki. Head to our destination, khaki khaki. Khaki khaki, share with us some khaki khaki.